We are BestSub, the leading professional supplier in the sublimation and digital printing industry with decades of experience. We focus on every detail that makes great products and aim to provide the best services. Our 8 quality control steps can keep product consistency and quality guaranteed. Keep watching. Selection of raw material. The raw materials are our cells and water is our blood. High quality and purity of raw materials made our bones strong. We work with the top local suppliers for the best raw materials and have built stable long-term cooperation with them. For example, the mug we chose is from Zubul, the city that is famous for the soil that makes the best sublimation mugs, while the stone we choose is from Jiangxi province, which abounds in the most suitable natural stones for slate making. We also built our coating production line in Yongkang, where stainless steel water bottle industry is thriving. Quality test of raw material. Before coating, we check all the products one by one to evaluate its shape, smoothness, straightness, and size. All these examinations are very crucial. Only the products that pass can move on to the next step of coating. Coating test. For the best coating effect, we will do some necessary works and checks to get all the products prepared. Our customers are still curious and wondering why JS Coatings mugs can get such a good printing effect. In fact, each of our mugs will be washed by the dishwasher in pure water, for it can remove the dust and add no extra impurity to further improve the smoothness. After washing, all the mugs will go through an automatic production line to get sprayed with our special mug coating, featuring high adhesion and color absorption. Printing test. After coating, different batches of products will be tested on the printing effect for several times, which is our must-do everyday tasks. Only the products that present clear, vivid colors can pass and proceed to the next step. Quality and function test. To further test the product quality, we will put the printed mugs into boiling water to check the color fastness and decide if it is dishwasher safe. For stainless steel bottle, we will do the insulation and temperature preservation test to make sure it functions well. Test before packing. We will randomly pick the products to examine their shapes, smoothness, and coating and pack them into cartons. For effective goods management, we will print the test batch number on every carton that is qualified and ready to be delivered to the warehouse. Quality and printing checks before shipping. Before shipping the goods to our customers, we will randomly pick the products again for the last quality check and the final printing test to examine the printed colors. Goods that pass the final examinations will be pasted with shipping marks, lined up and ready to be shipped to our customers. Factory audit and product certificate. What's more, we go through factory audits every year, striving to pass every inspection and receive the certificates. We have successfully become BSCI members and got ISO 9001 certifications. Also, our products with SGS certificates and CE marks are the great products you can trust and purchase. Hey, now you know BestSub. Have you decided to choose us? Yes, I know you can't wait. Choose BestSub. You deserve the best.